Hello guys, you're welcome to Essential Kitchen. Today I'm teaching you how to make your simple homemade bread. Here our recipe for this bread. We are going to start by mixing our dry ingredients. Put your flour, nutmeg, make flavor, powdered milk, sugar, yeast, salt. Then mix everything thoroughly together. Okay, add your butter now. Rub it into your mixed flour. Add your eggs. Rub it into your mixed flour or your mixture. Then put your water gradually. This is 2 cups of water because we are doing 1 kg of flour. So mix everything and let it come together before you begin to knead. Bread requires enough kneading. You have to knead your bread. You have to knead your dough very well so that it will be very smooth and light and also stretchy. Kneading, this is kneading process. Knead your dough very well and allow it to rest for like 30 minutes. Knead again. Continue to knead. You can see the texture of the dough now. Now cut it into desired and mold it. You can see what I'm doing. We have different ways you can mold your bread. Okay, mold it very well. Mold. Before you place it on that pan, you grease that baking pan before you place your molded dough. Then we are going to do it in 2 batches, 2 different types. Get another pan and mold it in this form. Like I said, you have to grease your pan first before you mold it. Then after that, allow it to rise. You can see it has risen. Allow it to rise. Then egg brush it. You can sprinkle, if you have your something, you can sprinkle it and bake on a preheated oven. This is the end result. You can see how fluffy our bread is. This is what you can do in your house without going to market to spend more. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.